Quality craftsmanship and precision have been at the forefront of Bulova's operation right from the start, and you can tell that they kept that in mind when creating this watch. The Curv is a comfort-designed, slim, curved-cased watch, and it sits perfectly on the wrist, allowing for a more comfortable wear, and the legibility is in no way jeopardized. If you look through the glass on the case back, you can see Bulova's latest accomplishment. They took one of their ultra-accurate quartz precisionist chronograph movements and bent it, attracting collectors and Bulova enthusiasts alike. This is time-sticking watch talk, and I'll be talking more about the Bulova Curv watch after this intro. In early 2016, the Bulova Watch Corporation unveiled what it called the world's first curved chronograph watch, the Bulova Curv. The latest feature in Bulova innovation was released at Baselworld, the World Watch and Jewelry Show. The Bulova Precisionist has claimed accuracy of 10 seconds of variation per year, drifting less in 1 month than a decent quartz watch might vary in a day. The overall look of the case is stunning. The titanium matches gray stainless steel fantastically to deliver a very sophisticated, futuristic look. Covering the dial is a curved sapphire crystal, providing the watch that additional impact resistance and security. Bulova released several strap and dial options with the Curv, and you choose from either a strap or a bracelet. The black rubber strap simply looks amazing on the titanium Curv and provides some beautiful pattern detailing. In addition, the 3-piece buckle closure will hold the watch securely on your wrist regardless of the environment you're wearing the watch in. The Bulova Curv is a watch of innovation and timekeeping mastery. With a trendy curved design and a futuristic appearance, I would be proud to wear this on my wrist. However, with the watch retailing from $520 to $2,400 US, depending on the model, even with all things considered, the price just seems a little steep for me. But for a true Bulova collector, this is a must-have timepiece. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our Times Ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.